Hey everyone, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to replace the batteries on this remote and on this one. This one is like 5 years old. This is over 10. So this I haven't replaced the batteries since I got the minivan. This is for a Town and Country, for my Town and Country minivan. This is for a 2006 Town and Country minivan, and this is for a 2013 Toyota Sienna. So Toyota 2013 Toyota Sienna, 2006 Chrysler Town and Country. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to replace the batteries on both remotes. So I found out that they use the same batteries, so I'm gonna be replacing both. This one gave me the warning that the battery was low and that it needed to be replaced. Contact your dealer, they said. But how much is the dealer gonna charge you for a battery when you can get a 4-pack for what, about $7, something like that, from Walmart? Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one. This is for the 2013 Toyota Sienna, but if you have a similar remote, you know, it's going to be the same way. You might need something like this to pry it open. First of all, we are going to remove the key from the remote, and we do that by pushing this side button right here. Pull it out, and then we are going to pry this open. Like so. Oops, careful with that. Okay, so the battery is going to be under this board, so we are going to lift it up. Be careful with this thing. Flip it around, and there's the battery. So to take it out, we're going to pry it out from this end. You can use your fingernail, or you can use or you can use some type of plastic thing like a guitar pick, maybe even a credit card. And here's the board, all batteries. So now we are going to put a new one. Why do they make this so complicated? Come on. Now just remember how this battery was on the remote, with the taper side down, like so. So we just push it in place, and then put the board back in place. Remember, the battery is on that end, and you have your 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 1 and 2. It has to be lined up, and then we are going to proceed to line it up, and we are going to push both sides together until they are locked in place. Put your key back, and it should be ready. Okay, I hear the sound outside. Again, the when you try to do this as soon as you get the warning on your dashboard. Now, for the Chrysler Town and Country, for this type of remote, we are going to pry this thing open. Like so. Here, so here's your battery. Again, we are going to pry it out. There is this side right here where you can, if you don't want to use your fingernails, use something sharp that can go like under the battery and then push it up. Okay, so that's the old battery. We're gonna get a new one. And I got 4 batteries because I have 2 of each of these remotes, for the 2 for the Sienna and 2 for the Chrysler Town and Country. So that's why I got the 4 batteries. So here's the new. Now this one was like this. So you have to make sure that we put it the right way, okay? With the taper side up, like that. The flat side facing down. So just push it in. Line both parts of the housing together and push until they lock. And there it is. 2 new batteries on 2 old remotes. All right. Thank you.